In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can reset your Snapchat account password in 2021. So once you're on Snapchat, the first thing you need to do is log out of your account. So tap on the gear icon at the top right of the screen. Then you want to scroll all the way to the bottom until you find log out right at the bottom. Tap on log out again. And now you're logged out of your account. Now you can tap on switch account and you want to enter in your username and then tap on forgot your password. And you can reset your password by phone or via email. I'm just going to use phone, so I'll tap on phone. And you want to make sure that you enter in your phone number. If you decide to reset your password with phone, tap on the blue continue button and then send via SMS. They'll send you a code, tap on send. So I've gotten the confirmation code. Let me just double check it. And they're checking it. And once you have gone ahead and entered in the right verification code, you can go ahead and set a new password. So I'll go ahead and do that. Okay, so I've entered in my new password. I just tap on the blue continue button and just like that, my password has been updated. So that is how you reset your Snapchat account password in 2021. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.